My name is Jason. I'm the Sales and Export Director of Preda Machine Manufacturer Company Limited, which has been manufacturing HVAC duct forming machines for years. This video is for our lock former or Pittsburgh machine for HVAC duct forming. Please allow me to introduce you more details of it. Lock former, some places also call this machine Pittsburgh machine, mainly used for nipping the plate to facilitate the joint of plate, is among the most basic equipments for modern duct forming line. All gears, axes and rollers equipped in the machine are made from high quality steel to ensure their stability and durability. Different kinds of models are available for dealing with the plate sheet in various thickness from 0.5 mm to 1.5 mm. It is easy and convenient for operation or transport due to its optimized sizes. We have many items of lock former. Among them, multifunctional lock former is the most popular. Let's take our model SA-12HB version for example. Maximum plate thickness 1.2 mm, working power 1.5 kilowatts, weight of the machine 290 kilograms, dimension length 1070 millimeters, 570 millimeters in breadth, and 920 millimeters in height. Our multifunctional lock former is capable of 7 lock shapes, namely cloud shape, arc shape, U shape, Z shape, orthogonal shape, lock pin, and union shape. Since this is a very basic machine for HVAC duct and we produce them regularly, we have stocks available all the time. So if you are to order not so many quantities, lead time will be in about 5 days after order confirmation. Payment terms 100% before shipment. Packing, nude packing for 4 container load and solid plywood case packing for less than 4 container load. Each plywood case would cost additional $120 US. After sales policy, 1 year warranty for all of our machines. Maintenance assistance available the whole lifetime of our machines. Any interest, please contact me directly. My email address is jason@predamachine.com. Thank you very much for the watching and listening.